Yeah, kia ora. Just thought I'd say g'day and talk about the latest little purchase. Opinel Carbone. I chose the carbon steel blade over the stainless steel because I prefer carbon steel blades for sharpening. And the back of the blade I'll be able to use to gain sparks on a ferro rod. I'm not going to talk too much about the knife as it is. It's just your standard Opinel. Things that you're probably familiar with is the slide lock. And you to close it, you can close it and then lock it closed so it doesn't open in your pocket. I plan to do a little bit of customization, drop the back of the handle off down here a bit, maybe give it a jute wrap and epoxy it, and yeah, go from there. But the other thing I just wanted to do is acknowledge the fact that it's ANZAC Day today. As a New Zealander, it's a pretty important day. For those of you who are not from this country, it's the celebration of Australia and New Zealand Army Corps soldiers fighting together at Gallipoli. It was a terrible loss, but it was the beginning of the joining of our two countries to create a strong bond that went through 2 world wars and other conflicts as well. So yeah, the kids and I, we got up at dawn this morning and went to the dawn service at Cathedral Square, and then we went and picked some mushrooms and came home and did some jobs around the house. So yeah, just acknowledge the soldiers that went and didn't make it home, and those that did and came home, and some of them weren't 100% afterwards, and also the families of those left behind. So yeah, pretty somber day, but a good one, and thankful to the people that went and made those sacrifices so that I can sit here and talk about pocket knives to you guys. Anyway, ka kite, all the best, see you around. Bye.